Good morning, children. Today we are going to do modal verbs, chapter number 4. Now let us understand what does modal verbs mean. We know very well what are verbs, right? Action words are called as verbs. So the verbs, when they are attached with some kind of possibility, then they are called as modal verbs. Let us see what does that mean. Let us learn. Read the dialogues carefully. There are two friends who are going together. One says it is getting cloudy again. It may rain. May is a modal verb because it's coming with the verb rain. Let us go home. Oh, I forgot to bring my umbrella along. Should we take a bus home? The other guy says, well, it might rain. Might is again a possibility, a certainty. Might rain, it is windy and there are some clouds, but the sky is not overcast yet. If it rains, we might get drenched and catch a cold. The bus stop is a little far from here. We might not get one before it starts raining. So, might and may, these both are the probabilities, that is the possibilities, which are called as modal verbs. Okay, now actually modal verb is more of a might, so now we have to start using might. Okay, might is used to express possibility, right? We say we might go to school, we might not go to school tomorrow. So that might means it's expressing the possibility of you going or not going, coming or not coming. It expresses a lesser degree of certainty. Lesser degree of certainty means you are not very certain, you are not very accurate about whatever you are saying. You might, meaning you might go also. So possibility is 50-50. Degree of certainty, then may. May is more possible, like I may go. I may go means you are showing a strong certainty towards going. We use might with a verb. So you say might plus verb. Example, it was it might rain. It is possible that it will rain, but I am not certain. That is, I am not sure, right? To form negatives, we use might plus not plus verb. We might not get a bus. It is possible that we will not get a bus, but we are not certain. May expresses a stronger possibility than might. Example is take an umbrella with you. It may rain today. Means you are more certain that you take an umbrella with you. Don't leave it. It may rain. So it's showing a more possibility, more stronger possibility than might. Leave by 5 p.m. The next bus may not ply today. May is more certain, might is less certain. Let us start doing it here. Write the sentences in the correct sequence. Now this is a kind of some episode where we have to just see what is happening after what. Now let us see what it begins with. If Meera cancels her tuitions, she might get some time to practice athletics. So here the possibility is they are saying that if her tuitions get cancelled. Okay, so now the second probability can be if she practices hard enough, she might perform well in 100-meter race. The third one goes, if she does well, she might win the gold medal. The fourth one says, if she wins the gold medal, she might get a cash award too. The fifth one says, if she gets a cash award, she might buy herself a bicycle. Now, how did we line it up? Just understand. She has to practice athletics. Athletics means running, right? So now for running, you go for 100-meter, right? Because there is a possibility that if she practices hard enough, she might perform in a 100-meter race. Now, if she will perform, now she has to perform. So when she will perform good, what will happen? She might win a gold medal. Now, if she wins a gold medal, what will happen? She will get a cash award too. And if she gets a award, then what will happen? If she gets a cash award, she might So everywhere the last one is connected to the first one, right? She might perform well, she does well. Then you say next one, she might win a gold medal, she might get a cash award. She might get a cash award, she might buy herself a bicycle. So this is how you're supposed to line it up. We go to the next one, that is B. Match the parts to make complete sentences using might or might not. Okay, you have to use might or might not. It's very easy. My parents might or might not buy a new house. My parents might, here only might will come. Okay, and C is the correct option for the first one. The second one, we say we can use we, might also we can use, and might not also we can use. For the second one, we go to complete the syllabus. We might or might not complete depending on the time. So the possibility says we might also complete, we might not also complete our syllabus. So here it goes to D1. Then third one, our maths teacher might, our maths teacher might take our class today. Their party, so this is the third one, sorry I forgot to write, third one. The fourth one says their party might win elections, right? Then the last fifth one says it might or might not rain this afternoon. It might rain this afternoon. Raj and Robin might and might not both will come together, be friends anymore. So the possibility was they might be also or they might not be also the friends, right? Then you go to the next one, rewrite the sentences using might. So wherever there is will, you will cancel will and write might instead of that. That will complete your sentence. Like, it is possible that I will go to a birthday party this evening. So you'll say I might go to a birthday party this evening. So instead of will, you have to use might. The next one says it is possible that Miss Jones will be on leave tomorrow. So you say it is possible that Miss Jones might be on leave tomorrow. It is possible that I will not attend school next week. So I might not attend the school next week.